Choosing your server software, don't guess. Sometimes, when we are lucky, guessing can work. But when it comes to choosing the operating system for your new dedicated server, you can't leave your fate to chance. Choosing the right one to suit your needs means first assessing these needs, and then assessing your abilities and those of your staff. Not all of them are born equal. Different software requires different programming and management strategies. When getting a server package from your hosting company, you will be asked to choose an operating system to run your server, as well as the supplemental software and applications that will run on it. Some are free, think open source like Linux and Unix, or require a monthly fee, Microsoft Windows Server or Red Hat. Choosing between the code-heavy systems like Linux or Unix, or a more user-friendly OS like Windows Server, depends on your or your employees' knowledge of code, the time you are willing to dedicate to managing your server, and of course your budget. If you or your employees have been trained in server management, then the free ones could be your best choice. Open source software is known to be adaptive and to react quickly to changes in the programming world. If you're worried about keeping your server software up to date with the latest improvements, then choosing a Linux or Unix-based system is your best bet. However, you might not know much about code and server operation, or you might not want to spend too much time playing with basic operations of your server. In that case, a more fully automated choice like Windows Server might be better suited to your needs. Those OS require a fee to be used, but if you don't want to hire a new employee only to take care of your server, then it might be worth paying. Those servers are also a little slower to adapt to changes in the server management field, since updates require extensive testing and must be released by the publisher and not by anyone from the public. IT is important to establish your needs and to discuss them with your hosting company. If you do not have an IT specialist to counsel you, then they are best placed to give you advice on which one to use. However, if you really have no idea, and absolutely no time to give to choosing and managing one, then most hosting companies provide full management services with the rental of a virtual private server or dedicated servers. These services can really simplify your web hosting experience. All you need to do is send them the data, and they take care of all the coding and server management for you. So whether you have small or big needs related to your website, your local hosting company can help you and give you the best products and services for your needs. Give them a call and see for yourself.